heard that you, that even cutting classes you're always on the go, just to meet me here.
There's a place you
Of course, I will always gonna be with you.
Hey Jenny, what's up with you and Kai? Looks like no one can separate the two of you.
That's right, you two seems so both in love with each other.
I really envy you, Jenny. You're going out with Kai for such a long time. Right, Rosie and Jessa?
Yes.
You girls will find someone too.
We wish that for two, ha?
Jenny, when we part ways in college, what do you think our relationship will be? You think we can still bond together just like this?
I am not sure of that too, Kai, because my parents are planning to enroll me in the university there in our hometown. But that is still not sure. How about you, Kai?
I am planning to enroll in a university in Manila.
I already miss you so much, girls.
I miss you too.
But the way, Jenny, why do you feel sad? It's because of Kai.
Yes, Rosie. We have not communicated weeks ago, and it upset me.
Don't be like that, Jenny. We are here for you. Just forget about that Kai right now, and let's focus on our next journey, our college life.
Yes, I'm already excited since the three of us will go to the same university here.
Thanks to you girls, Lisa, Jessa, and Rosie, for always being here with me to cheer me up whenever I feel so down.
What? Kai is back now and has another woman?
Yes, but I feel like I am no more affected by that.
Oh, I think maybe because you already get over him. Right, guys?
This is driving me crazy. Since you left you just like that, then here he comes again, coming back to you.
Jessa, not that really coming back together, it's just he want closure.
Whatever, Rosie, it's still the same thing.
You know what? I really don't understand you now. You always can control your bad temper. I think we should have a cool off for now.
What? Are you blaming this to me? I always understand you, but why can you do the same with me, huh?
Jenny?
Yes, Kai? Is this you?
Yes, I am. Are you free for tomorrow?
I think so. Why do you ask?
Can we hang out?
Okay, I see you. What's the matter, Kai?
We fight.
Fight? With whom?
My girlfriend. Can we talk?
Let's get back together.
About that, I called because I was about to say things too.
Well, that's great. We're in a good term right now.
Jenny, I was to say about to you that we are back together again with my girl.
Oh, really? That's good for the two of you. By the way, I have to go now, Kai. My mom's called me due to house emergency. Bye.
Oh, it's that so? Scared Jenny.